This is how I make envelope pillow cover. No zipper needed, yet it's still removable pillow cover. Welcome to my channel, Sewing at Home Mom. I start by choosing my fabric. I measure my pillow. I add about 1/2 inch for seam allowance to each side of the pillow. The sewing pattern for this cushion cover is very simple. It is the length by width plus extra for seam allowance. My pillow is shaped like a square. That means the side length, so that all 4 sides are equal. I use tailor's chalk to mark the cutting line. Once I have all markings done, I cut out the pillow cover front piece. My sofa pillowcase is made of 2 different fabrics, as you probably noticed, the front piece and the back piece. The front is a decorative fabric with pretty flower design. And the back is a plain solid color. You can make a pillow out of the same fabric, no problem there. I just wanted to make it out of 2 contrasting fabrics. Next, I place this piece on top of my solid color fabric and I cut out 2 of the same size pieces. Those are 2 additional pieces. Now I have 3 equally sized squares, and in the next step I'm going to sew a seam on opposite sides. In this step, I sew together the front fabric with the back fabric, so I run a straight stitch on my sewing machine to do so. Right side of the fabric needs to touch each other. That means they go inside. So right side inside, wrong side on the outside. After the 2 opposite sides are sewn together, I finish the raw edge of the solid color fabric by double folding it and top stitching it. And finally, I'm going to stitch together the other 2 sides of the pillow cover, but before I do so, I'm going to fold in one side of the back piece about 2 to 3 inches away from the side seam, just like you can see it here. Now I place the other back piece on top of this one and I stitch it together with with straight running stitch on my sewing machine. And I'll do this on both sides. Next step, I trim the inside corners, so about 1/8 of an inch away from the stitch. So I'll trim it, but I leave just a little bit, a snitch of a fabric, making sure not to cut past the stitch because that would be a no-no. This step, like after you trim it, this step will help you to get that straight and crispy looking corners on the right side of the pillow cover. So finally, the best part is I turn the pillow cover right side out. I do use iron to press it down to make it look nice and crispy. And I put the pillow cushion inside. I think it looks great, it looks pretty. And sewing my own decorative pillow cover saves me money when I'm decorating my home. If you find this video useful, please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.